I'm just about to try to change the battery in the iPhone 6s. First things first, turn the phone off. There are two teeny weeny little screws that would make a horologist blink in the end of the thing. Some of the batteries come with a screwdriver kit. And then, very carefully, work your way around the screen. This one's coming off remarkably easily. Some of them are stuck down with double-edged sticky tape, but this screen must have been off before. Sometimes a mechanic's feeler gauge is a good thing to separate the adhesive, but it hasn't been necessary in this case. Whoops, I've turned it on by mistake. And you can take that metal plate off and undo the ribbon connectors, but I find it easier to fasten it to this little wooden fixture like that, and then just simply remove the battery. At the bottom of the battery there are two little pull tabs to loosen, and once you have loosened them, gently from the end you can pull until you have released that sticky tape that holds the battery. Now, if you don't manage to get this adhesive out, you have to get a bit destructive to get the battery out. You can gently pry the battery a little bit to try and release that. Gently release that adhesive. Nice and slowly does it. And if you get it right, when you've done this, you can just lift the battery out. Then you undo these teeny wee screws, which have a different head. These are cross-headed ones, which hold the battery connection point on. Somewhere safe. Remove the piece of tin and then lift the little battery plug off, and the thing comes out just like that. Put the new adhesive strips on the phone, clip the new battery into position, and then pull the backing off the adhesive strips and drop the battery into place. Really does need doing in this order. Just take note, one of these screws is longer than the other, otherwise it's a simple reversal to put the thing back together.